request our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Manju Rani Chauhan, to address us with her words of wisdom.
A warm good evening to Reverend Father, Sister Roshni, Sister Martha, Sister Jyoti, the entire SMC family, teachers, parents, students, children and all present here. I am speechless. These little angels have given a mesmerizing performance. The dazzling performance appeared as if the angels from the heaven have come down on earth. I was really heartened to see the mesmerizing performance, and this speaks volumes about my institution. I'm saying my institution because even I am an SMCite. I was really touched by the fine and minute expressions given by these little children, and this shows the attention to detain the sincerity and the hard work which they have put in under the guidance of their parents as well as teachers. It was a wonderful job. And could you see that we couldn't find any teacher on the stage? It was by their own, they were doing the anchoring also, remembering so many words. Even I'm feeling nervous standing here and addressing the entire crowd. But what about these children? From this platform, I would like to give one message to the teachers and the parents especially. Let us make learning joyful. We don't have to impose anything on these little children. Let them retain their childhood. Because whatever qualities we imbibe upon them at this stage, this will help in their development. I would just like to say there's a saying that little girls are angels who have not spread their wings. But today, I saw these little angels spreading their wings as if they have come down from the heaven to give us this special message of saving earth, saving water. And I would add on one more thing, save these girls also. Save the girl child. We really need them because they are also giving birth to the future generation. Our old people used to say that girls should keep quiet and calm. They should be obedient. But what I say, you should make them ambitious. Ask them to question, to be logical, so that they know what they have to do and what not. Give them the opportunity to participate in every activity, whether it be dramatics, music, dance, other non-collegiate activities. Why? Because our society does not need only technical people like doctors and engineers and other persons, but they need creative people also. So by these qualities of participating in different activities, they will develop. Need not to say much about, Father has already said that we should now follow the message which has been given by these children and do the needful. We need to think, to save earth and save these girl children. Every second day we are hearing about the cruelties with these children in society. Lastly, this day made me remember of my days when I was a child and used to participate in the activities. So I was back in school when I was sitting there, and I never was looking this way or that way, and I was just concentrating on the performance of these children. I would not prolong my speech because it is too much for the little children, and they have given so much time in this winters. It's nearly 6:30 around, I think. So I was just end up by saying one thing. There's a quote. This is for these children only. Fairy tales do come true. Let us see. We have performers like you. Thank you.
Ma'am, may I now kindly request our manager, ma'am, respected Sister Rosalie and Headmistress Sister Martha, to present a sapling to our chief guest as a token of our love and appreciation.